Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I made my Escovitch sauce or pickle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. So here we have 2 white onions, carrots, and guys, these items are all washed before. Pimento seeds, Scotch bonnet peppers, sweet peppers, green and yellow, and granulated sugar. And I have a plate to put my items once I cut them up, and my cutting board and my knife. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice up my carrots, and there you have an example of how I slice my carrots in strips. I didn't want to slice them too thin nor too big, so that's perfect. And guys, this sauce can be used on fish, chicken, whichever item you're cooking and you want a little boost. So now I'm going to go ahead and slice up my onions. I'm just going to slice them in circles, and then I'm just going to pull them apart. And I'm just pulling them apart. And there you have it. I pulled my onions apart. So I'm just slicing up the other one. And guys, you can store this sauce in your cupboard, in your fridge. It's best to store it in a jar. So I'm just going to slice up my sweet pepper, So now that I slice up all of my sweet peppers, I'm just gonna slice up my Scotch bonnet peppers. And there you have it, guys, my carrot, onion, sweet peppers, and Scotch bonnet peppers. So now I'm just gonna add 1 cup of white vinegar to my pot and allow it to boil a little. Then I'm gonna add my Scotch bonnet pepper because I want to get all of the flavor, so I'm adding it first. Then I'm gonna add my onions. I'm just adding my granulated sugar, and I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm just gonna combine everything together. Then I'm gonna add my carrots. Then my sweet peppers. I'm also going to add my pimento as well, and I'm just going to combine everything together. I'm going to leave it on the stove for like 1 to 2 minutes because I don't want my carrot to get too soft. I want it to be a little bit crunchy. I want all of the vegetables to be a little bit crunchy, rather. So I'm just mixing everything together. And there you have it, guys, my Escovitch sauce or pickle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.